motion, nigga. We having motion, we having motion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. Hey, we having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. Hey, we having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We having motion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
Rise and grind, good people. I'm back at y'all with another one. Another video with the Pull-Up King. I'm working on this Pontiac G8. Got to get a CV axle replaced on it. And these cars are discontinued, so these parts are pretty, like, they're expensive and they're hard to get. The dealer want like $2,000 for one or something like that. I can't remember, but it's just extremely expensive. So my client did a smart thing. I don't blame him. Got another G8 junk, one that's junk, and I pulled off the old CV axle from here, and I'm about to put that one in this one. Get them back running, man. Get them on the road. And that's the CV axle. Alright, so these CV axles, they are okay to use, reuse, like from different cars, pull apart, junkyard, stuff like that. I recommend it because it is possible that you can get good ones, but all parts are not recommended to get from the junkyard. But we go ahead and knock this out, man. Let's get it. Alright, we got our 36 mil CV axle nut. Take that out. Alright, we got a 18 mil here. Take that bolt out. And we're gonna take out this 18 mil here, this bolt. And look at that. You got it wrapped up so that grease won't pour out like that. That thing shooting grease out. Alright, I done tapped the CV axle back. And now I'm gonna move all of this forward. Alright, once you move it forward, I pretty much just pried on it. I stepped on it some too, just to get it forward, and I can push this out at the same time and pop it back and let it free like that. Alright, once you get up under, take off this hanger here, and you can see the back of the CV axle. You want to get a pry bar, get in there, and just tap on it. Once you get in between there, just tap on the end of your pry bar and it'll knock it out. All right, now we got it in position. Got that in the trans, or in the diff, rear diff, and this end I got it lubricated. Why? It's because it can seize inside of here. It can get stuck, and we don't want that to happen. And this is what was my problem with the other vehicle that I was working on, trying to the first vehicle he brought out here. I came out and tried to get it off, and it was stuck. It would not come out of this position. Like, it was stuck completely. But he got the second G8 out here. That's the first one. This one right here, a lot better. I was able to get it out. So always put some bearing grease on it so it won't seize up in there. Everything in reverse order. In there like swimwear. All right, man. Everything is together. One thing you need to make sure of, so this axle nut doesn't back up, put an indentation in it. Go ahead and hammer that. Boom. Alright, that's another one down, man. If y'all liking the content, you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, man. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss the videos. Until next time, the Pull Up King.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, I swear I ain't focused.